What's up, guys? Today, we're making an eggnog recipe that doesn't involve a holiday work party and regret.
Oh my God.
You only need a couple ingredients to make this eggnog protein custard, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day: what's your favorite holiday flavor this time of the year? Pumpkin, cinnamon, gingerbread, peppermint, no! Or something else? Drop it in the comments below. Start this one with a small mixing bowl, blender, or shaker bottle. Add into it 1 large whole egg and 1 cup of your preferred eggnog. This could be a healthier alternative like almond nog, a lower sugar eggnog, a 50-50 mix of regular eggnog and a high protein milk, and so on. Use whatever fits your macros here. I'll make sure to put the nutritional breakdowns for all of these on the website, along with metric conversions for every ingredient, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, 2 ounces of a complementing flavored Greek yogurt, I actually found an eggnog one, and a tablespoon of some sweetener, which is optional and only really needed if the other ingredients you're using aren't sweet enough. Mix, blend, or shake those ingredients together until smooth. From here, take out at least a 2-cup baking dish and pour your mix into it. Sprinkle on a little ground cinnamon and nutmeg. This next step is the most important. You'll need a bigger pan or dish than you're using that has a little depth to it. Fill it around halfway up with water and place your 2-cup dish into it. I used our 6-inch pan that I use for all of my cheesecakes. So if you don't have one of those yet, here's another good reason to get one. I'll drop a link to it below. Put those into the oven on 350 for around 50 minutes to an hour. After it's done, remove it, let it cool, and throw it in the fridge for a few hours. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, you can double or triple the recipe to make a larger one or multiple. Number 2, if you can't find eggnog, I'll throw a quick homemade recipe for it on the website. Number 3, don't be scared to mix and match your flavors. Salted caramel or a cinnamon protein powder, banana or a white chocolate Greek yogurt, the list goes on. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many cinnamon sticks. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams? The first one closest to it will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.